In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Wix. By the end, you'll have the Google tag connected through your Wix dashboard, so your Google Ads can attribute conversions correctly across your live site. Start inside the Wix editor for the site you want to track. Move your cursor to the top left and hover over the Wix icon to open the main menu. From there, click Go to Dashboard. This switches you from the visual editor to your site's control center, which is where Wix manages all marketing connections and tracking tools. In the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Marketing and Analytics area. Depending on your layout, this section may be a bit lower on the page, so keep scrolling until you see it. Next, open Marketing Integrations. This is the hub for connecting third-party tracking and advertising tools without touching code. Locate the Google tag option and open it, then click Connect. Using this built-in connector ensures your tag is injected across all site pages consistently, which is essential for accurate conversion tracking. Before going further, a quick but important reminder. You need a premium plan with a connected domain for Google Ads conversion tracking to work properly on your live site. You can review the settings on a free site, but full tracking and attribution won't function until you upgrade and publish to your domain. Now you'll see the prompt to set up a Google Tag ID. This is the identifier that tells Google where to send your data. Keep this window open so you're ready to paste your ID. To make sure you get the correct value, click the on-screen instructions link provided by Wix. Those instructions guide you through retrieving the proper tag ID from your Google account. Follow them carefully, then come back to your Wix dashboard. Paste the ID exactly as it appears, no extra spaces or characters, and save. Wix will place the tag across your entire site and apply consent settings as configured, so you don't need to add code manually. After saving, publish any pending changes to ensure the connection goes live. Data typically begins flowing shortly after, but allow some time for initial signals to appear in your Google account. If you ever need to update or replace the tag, return to the same Google Tag integration in your Wix dashboard and edit the ID. That's it. You've connected the Google tag through Wix, setting the foundation for reliable Google Ads conversion tracking across your site.